Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have a unboxing and kind of like review of two items. I went up to McAllen and the first item are from Barnes & Noble. Here we have Phil Knight's Shoe Dog. This is kind of, it says a memoir by the creator of Nike. So it's kind of like the Uprise. Honestly, I like to read books like this because I'm so passionate about shoes and the culture and just seeing how they started, the vision it gets me motivated because one day, like I've said before, I want to open my own store. So it's nice. If y'all want to see an update on this book, let me know. I will be starting to read it pretty soon. But as y'all saw, the real reason you're here, from the thumbnail and the title, we went to Champs Sports, and as you see, this is the new mid box, which honestly, this one's fire. This box is fire because it's got the classic wings logo. This is a size 10. It's an Air Jordan 1 mid. Honestly, I don't care mids or highs, but this shoe, I actually had told both my cousin and my pops that I was kind of on the hunt for. I don't like really to pay, I had told myself I wasn't going to buy shoes this year. But as you all have been seeing through videos, I've been buying. I think I'm up to like 10 pairs this year. But it's one of those things where I'm letting the shoes and the deals find me. I'm not looking for them. I'm not overpaying on them. And like this, walked in, saw them sitting on the shelf. They did have my size, and we copped them. So shout out to Nike, and they got the wings logo there, wing logo there, wing logo there. Like, they're going up. So for the shoe, guys, we have the Jordan 1 Crafts, or as people are calling them, the poor man's Off-Whites. Now, the shoe does come with an extra set of laces, which are gray, but honestly, I'm gonna keep like this creamy orange. Kind of reminds me, like, this orange reminds me of like when you're eating an orange pop and like you already get to the middle part, so it's kind of like in the middle. So again, shout out to Nike. Honestly, this shoe has like this is like, it has leather and the toe cap. It has like nubuck on the top, on the side, the back. This is like kind of like feels like a backpack. Leather on the top, and it has the cut soles and like very neutral colors, but it does have, I just realized something. It has these orange tabs, but if you pay attention, guys, it's a 2 and a 3. Details, guys. 23, as you know, Michael Jordan, famous for that. But on the tag, on the back tab, we have the Air Jordan wing symbol, which they've been putting it a lot on the lows. And I believe there is a low on this. I might have to eventually, like, if I find them. So I might have to, because honestly, I really like the colors, the details. And honestly, guys, if it was a high about this much bigger, the resale game would have been crazy. So I'm kind of glad these are sitting on the right and left, pretty much the same thing as the 2 and the 3 here. I can't wait to actually like pull some fits in this. I know I already kind of have like some stuff in mind, so be ready for that. Also, like I said, if y'all want to read the book, if you want me to do a review on the book, let me know in the comments. Again, guys, thank you all for watching. Stay blessed and follow my Instagram.